most of the researchers, like postdocs, for example, after working for more than 4 or 5 years, they're stepping into the industry. What I heard, the problems with the academic scientists, right? Closed, not talking, not communicating outside openly, frequently, and the most with most commonly understandable words. Oh no, what I heard,
Yeah, yeah.
and maybe reserved, and a lot of such stuff. Owning the project and sticking or sentimentally to the project they are doing. These are all not negatives, in my opinion,
Yeah.
because that's how science is done.